Hi there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start utilizing to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing I'm going to talk about is your website. Just scanning through, I like that you have your click-to-call phone number here. That surely helps with your conversion. You have pictures and you don't have content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords on a homepage. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google looking for a particular product or service. So on your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. How your pictures can be considered content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Wayhave. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. The first thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the lower end and you realize some of those tips, it will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now, you have 120 backlinks coming from 34 referring domains or websites. A backlink is anywhere you find one website, link it to another via an anchor text. These links act like an endorsement of your site from others, which Google used to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. You guys are indexing for 169 keywords and getting about 165 hits to your site a month. So let's take a look at your keywords. It looks like the people are searching for a business name in particular. And there's some local by intent keywords. And those are the kind of the ones that you inquiry about. The local by intent keywords tag the location and the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly utilize them for any location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed plumbing your area in Google. And what I see here, it's called the map pack. And here it's what we call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's because the top 3 searches on Google result page receive 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher interacted with your business by clicking on your URL, dialing your listed phone number, or getting directions to your website. And there are the citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Beetle, Yellow Pages. So I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They also have their click-to-call phone number, schedule service online, some content, video. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting over 1.7k hits to their website a month. They have over 4.7k backlinks coming from 210 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them or beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. People are also searching for their business name in particular, and they have some local by intent keywords in different locations that they service. Those are all keywords you can utilize in different areas you service too. In conclusion, there's a high percentage of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google, so you surely want to be in those top sites. Now implement this strategy. There are a few ways that you can start claiming Google and get the first page. Hope you find this video educational. If you have any question, let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.